written by Roald Dahl. The book is Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. The book contains many things and it was written by Roald Dahl and illustrated by Crichton Blake. And now let's get right into the video. This book, it has 182 pages and 20 chapters, and there are 7 main characters. Let me tell you who are the characters. The main characters are Charlie Bucket. Well, my favorite character, and he's not a bucket. Please remember that. Second one, we got Grandpa Joey, who's very kind. And number 3, we got Mr. and Mrs. Bucket, who are Charlie's parents, and they are very funny. And number 4, we got Miss Tibbs. And number 6, we got Lancelot or Gilgrass. And also there is one more character, that is the Mr. Willy Wonka, the creative genius. Now we will see the illustrations. The illustrations are done by Crichton Blake, and he had put many effort on doing that. It is very detailed, but there aren't many pictures. Who needs pictures? You should read this book. The pictures are simple as Roald Dahl's writing. Roald Dahl's first book was The Goblins, and also he is a story writer, screenwriter, pilot, and also many things. And also the Charlie and the gang went flying onto the air, and Charlie Bucket is ready for another adventure when the giant elevator takes Charlie, Mr. Willy Wonka, and the gang itself, except Lancelot or Gilgrass and Miss Tibbs. And also when they reached the space, they found themselves the world's first space hotel, and that's when they thought that when they go there they will be safe. But when they went there, they saw the victorious, the hungriest Neds, and also they are shaped like an egg and they can turn anything. Like they ran out of the space hotel, and will they be escaping the space, and will they escape from the Neds? You should read the book to know that. Well, I can give you, if you haven't read Roald Dahl's book, I can tell you the top books. The top books are Fantastic Mr. Fox, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the BFG, and Danny, the Champion of the World. And also we could not forget the Witches, the Twits, and last but not least the Magic Finger. And also, if you haven't read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, why not read it? And the same Charlie only did the same adventure, and he's ready for another adventure. And Mr. Willy Wonka has to fly out of the chocolate factory and go back. But as it gets higher and higher, Mr. Willy Wonka could not stop that, and that's how he went to the space. And everybody are so scared. So that's when they found the space hotel on the US. And also, if you want to know the adventure of this Great Glass Elevator, this full half the book will be in the space only. And also, you should read this book. I hope you will read it. And there are many books like this. And this book is also compared to Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, there are 5 golden tickets, and Charlie got 1, but the 4 peoples got who they are mean and rude. And also, but Charlie's not. And also, that's the story of that. And if you enjoyed enjoyed this video. Hope you subscribe. And bye-bye. See you next time.